Next, we can see the topic capital, which is included in factors of production. Capital is the amount which is invested by the manufacturer to start the business. So, without capital, there is a no ways to start the business. Capital means money for an individual or a firm. I mean, money is very important. So, money is a form of capital when it is used to purchase machineries, raw materials, then for day to day to meet the day to day expenses, to pay the wages for laborers. So, for this purpose, capital is introduced. Man-made, I mean, machinery tools for everything which is helpful for the production of the goods. Now we can see the function of capital. Capital supply tools and machines. So capital supplies tools and machines that assist the laborers to produce the semi-finished goods to finished goods. I mean the raw materials to finished goods. So these finished goods are very easily transferable to the public people for their purchase of goods. So without the tools and machines, they are not able to produce the product. Improves productivity of labor. So capital, we can say that wages increases the productivity of labor. So it improves per capita productivity of labor. So increases the overall production. Capital supplies raw materials. So raw material is a very important thing which is used for the production purpose. There may be many raw materials which is included to produce a final product. For example, we can say for a final product, the raw materials may be used nearly 6 or 7 or 8. These 7 items or 8 items are transferred from various places. The raw materials will not be available at only one places. The various places we can go and purchase for the raw materials. Then generate more employment. Additional tools and machineries generate more employment to people. So modern production labor machineries reduce employment opportunities. Provides transport facilities. Capital in the form of roadways, railways, ships helps the transportation facility to take the materials from one place to another place. So it will be very convenient for the production of the particular goods. The next one is payment factors. Capital is the form of money is useful for the payment of advance wages to laborers even before the goods are sold in the market. So before selling the goods in the market, the laborers will get the wages. Now we can see the entrepreneur. The person who organizes the production is called an entrepreneur. So who is an entrepreneur? A person who is engaging himself in the production, in the planning of the production, manufacturing the goods is called as an entrepreneur. Who is willing to do the business in the society, who is willing to organize the land, labor, capital is called as an entrepreneur. He is the only person to plan particularly perfectly for each and every process. What type of production he is doing, what type of product he is manufacturing. So for that manufacturing, what are the types of goods he has to purchase, where he has to purchase, when he has to purchase, how much he has to purchase. So these are the planning which he has to do in the production process. So the same thing, the raw materials are not available in the same place. So it may be available in Delhi, it may be available in Mumbai, or it may be available in Chennai. So he must take risk. He must take risk to reach the products from that particular places. So he has to plan. Then what type of tools he has to use? What type of labors he has to choose? How many skilled labor? How many unskilled labor? So these are the planning he has to do. How many machineries he has to use? The next one is decision making. So I have said that decision may be done in all kind of goods such as size of the unit, quantity, what type of quality, color, size, etc. So he has to make the decision how much quantity he is going to produce, what quality he is going to produce, what color he is preferring. These are the decision making process. choosing the technology. Is nowadays technology plays very important and a significant role, because technology, with the help of technology, they can produce the product very perfectly and correctly without any materials wasted. The next one, innovation. I mean, as a manufacturer, as an entrepreneur, he should not follow the same concept. He has to bring some innovative concept. He has to bring some innovative machineries. He has to bring some innovative techniques to attract the consumers. So, innovation is the main thing. Next one, he has to pay the, as an entrepreneur, he has to pay the rewards. I mean, he has a responsibility, either profit or loss in the production.